Hi friends, my name is Dr. Vinita Arora. Let's talk of what checkups we should do to early detect or prevent a heart disease to happen. So, if you are a male, an Indian male is up against a higher incidence of coronary artery disease. So, if you have a very stressful job, you have a family history of coronary artery disease or diabetes or hypertension, and you smoke and your eating habits are unhealthy, it is advisable now that the age of 30 you should start getting yourself investigated. It means having a preventive health checkup done at the age of 30 and then every 1 year. Now, what does this preventive health checkup contain? It contains a simple investigation like an ECG, an X-ray chest, a treadmill test, either a treadmill test normal or a stress echo. That your cardiologist will decide what you need. But you need to go on a treadmill and need to exercise whatever maximum you can to have a good treadmill test. Actually, it screens you for coronary artery disease. Then lipid profile test, that is your cholesterol composition in the body. And the screening for diabetes is also important if you have a family history of diabetes. Your renal function test, your liver function test should be done. A complete hemogram should be done to see how much is your hemoglobin level. And if you want an advanced checkup, then determining your vitamin D3 levels, vitamin B12 levels are also important. So this has to be done at the age of, should be started at the age of 30. Now, in patients, in people who do not have a family history, or who relax despite their stressful job, who exercise regularly, for them it is advisable that it's from the age of 35 or 40, they should have these preventive health checkups done. And for women, well, earlier it was thought that till the age of 55 or till females are having their, they do not go into menopause, they are protected against coronary artery disease. However, now it is not true. With the amount of urbanization, the stress in the life care, the amount of ambition that comes with the performance in the office space and professional life, and the incidence of smoking, which has gone up in females tremendously. All these things have actually increased the risk of coronary artery disease in females too. So, same, at the age of 30, they should also start getting investigated. Here, a word of caution: in case you are smoking and you are on oral contraceptives, that can be the most fatal form of combination for development of coronary artery disease. So this should not be done. In case you are taking oral contraceptives, please stop smoking. That is very important. Thank you.